Hey, smukke, det er mig.
Hej, skat.
Hej.
Ja, hvor er du?
Nej, vi er ikke i Mumbai nu. Vi er først i Mumbai på dage.
Jeg savner dig, skat.
Nå, jeg savner også dig.
Hvordan går det?
Det går så fint, men jeg har ikke så lang tid, så nu skal du lige høre her. Nu må du ikke blive sur, okay?
Hvad er det?
Jeg kommer først hjem den 17. i stedet for den 15.
Ej, det mener du ikke, hvad?
Jo, og der er ikke noget at diskutere det, fordi jeg er nødt til at blive på dag ekstra i Mumbai og vise den nye kok, køkkenet og det hele.
Det var ikke okay. Altså, vi havde en aftale om,
Ja,
at hvis det
vi
var...
havde en aftale, men din mand, han elsker dig overalt på jorden, fordi du er den smukkeste, og du er den dejligste, og du er den mest fantastiske og mest forstående kone overhovedet. Og derfor elsker han dig så højt.
Den er god med dig, skat. Jeg synes virkelig, det er tavligt, det der.
Er den lille prinsesse der?
Ja, vil du ikke snakke med mig, eller hvad?
Nej, jeg vil så gerne lige have hende, fordi nu er kaptajnen lige kommet.
Nå, okay. Jamen, du må have det godt, skat.
Ja, hej.
Hej. Ja. Du får en noget.
Tak.
Hej.
Hey, lille prinsesse, kan du høre mig? Det er far. Skat, du skal tage.
Hej far, hvornår kommer I hjem?
Hej.
Morning, Chip.
Hello. Fresh toast.
Thank you.
Omelet
Ah,
with paprika and chili like you like it.
wow, wow, wow. That's crazy.
It's good?
Ready test.
Oh, superb.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you.
Great. Simply
Thank you.
great.
It's because I have a secret ingredient. Do you know what that is?
Ah.
Love.
You give a lot of it up to us, right? That's why we love you.
Good morning, Mr. Sharma. This is motor vessel Rosen. Can you organize our berth, please?
Yes, sir.
And we'll need some provisions. We'll
Welcome.
email you the list a bit later. Okay?
Contact me 24 hours
There you go.
before arrival.
Yeah.
We will have everything ready for you here.
Lovely. All right, Mr. Sharma, have a good day.
Captain,
Yeah.
milk and sugar, right?
Yeah, please. Perfect. Hvad laver du her?
Jeg er nede og aflæse vandmåler.
Hvad?
Jeg er nede og aflæse vandmåler. Vi skal have nyt vand på i Mumbai.
Jeg slapper af, du behøver ikke at råbe sådan.
Der skal være vand til din kaffe, skal der ikke?
Åh, det vil være rart. Det vil være rart, og du gør dig lidt nyttig her omkring, ikke?
Har du pause nu?
Det har jeg.
Ja.
Kan du gøre mig en tjeneste?
Jo, selvfølgelig.
Aflever det her for mig. Brev til min søster og en gave til min nevø.
Mhm.
Det vil være super fedt.
Jeg troede, hun boede i Greve.
Det er sgu da ikke kræve, din tos.
Solrødstrand.
Det er sgu da ikke kræve. Det var hvis vi var sejlet for lang tid. Og så pakken. Det er vigtigt.
Jeg skal nok passe på den.
Og det var klar.
Ja, for helvede, mand. Jeg glæder mig.
Jeg kan godt forstå. Det bliver godt. Kom hjem til kæresten.
Det er konen.
Ja, det er Peter. Ja, hvad siger de så? Det er meget simpelt. Hvis de skal håndtere vores skib, skal de også acceptere vores stilling. Ja, men du må lukke den her. Vi har også andre ting at se til. Ja, det er fint. Hej.
I 2011-2012, der forventer man, at der bliver en eksport på 12 millioner megatons. Og så er der jo en anden lidt kedelig ting på det japanske marked. Det er klart, at tsunamien, den har jo gjort et frygteligt indhug i deres industri. Men vi skal være til stede derude, så når at væksten den kommer, så står vi i forreste rækker.
Altså nu når vi taler om Japan, jeg skal lige høre, Peter.
Ja.
Vi har høj fokus på, høj prioritering på Japan, ikke?
Det har vi i allerhøjeste grad. Vi sidder jo faktisk lige pt. Og forhandler med japanerne ovenpå.
Kan vi få kontrakten underskrevet i aften, tror du?
Vi lander helt klart den aftale i aften, og så skal vi nok nå vores mål, der hedder 10%. Det er der ingen tvivl om.
Helt bestemt.
Hvis I kan gøre det nummer der.
Hej Jytte.
Hej. Var det et godt møde?
Det var glimrende, tak.
Det var godt. Lars Vestergaard venter på dig derinde.
Vestergaard.
Han sagde, det var vigtigt.
Tak. Jeg troede, du skulle sidde sammen med japanerne hende.
Jamen, det gør jeg også. Jeg har bare lige taget en lille pause.
Okay.
Jeg tænker, jeg lige vil holde det opdateret på, hvor langt vi nåede. Værsgo.
Men jeg kender godt det her kontraktforslag. Hvad er problemet?
Jamen, der er sådan ikke noget problem. Jeg vil lige bare mærke, at vi to var i synk omkring det, inden jeg går ned og banker i bordet.
Det har vi været fra starten af.
Godt.
Og vi har været på de 21, og vi skulle helst under 15, ikke?
Enig.
Ja. Hvor langt er vi nået?
Vi er nede på 19 nu.
I er nede på 19?
Ja.
Okay, 2 millioner.
Ja,
Og vi skal under 15.
det skal vi. Vi skal nok få dem ned.
Lige et øjeblik.
Ja.
Vi er jo søde og aflyse møder resten af dagen. Tak.
I won't, and I never intended to pay $19 million. So, with all respect, I think we are talking about $10 million.
$10 million is absolutely not enough.
No, maybe you're right, maybe you're right. But $19 million, honestly, that is way too much.
ちょっと困ったね。
いや、
なんとなく。
これはまだ押して19で
いけるかね。ね、いけると思うけどね。
ええ。
連中は。Our final offer is $19 million.
Okay. Gentlemen, this seems to be going nowhere. I have to go now. Nice to meet
社長
you.
17で行きますか。では、
そうだね。
様子を見て。
Okay.
ここは。
Excuse me. $17 million.
Hej Peter.
Dag, Niels.
Hej. Nå, hvad fik vi den så til?
14,5.
14,5?
Ja.
Det er rigtig godt gået.
Tak skal du have.
Hej Lars.
Tillykke med dig. Tak.
Okay.
Prøv at høre, kunne I tage en kop kaffe et andet sted? Jeg har faktisk et interview med Børsen om en halv time. Jeg skal lige have en ren skjorte på, så...
Okay.
Yes. Ja,
okay.
Det er godt. Tak skal du have. Tak ses. Ja. Lars, gider du blive lige et øjeblik?
Ja, værsgo. Vi ses deroppe, ja.
Lars, når du har brug for min hjælp, og det havde du tydeligvis her, så får du fat i mig med det samme. Er vi enige om det?
Ja. Og tak.
For at være lidt mere konkret, kan vi så finde nogle datoer. Vi har brug for en 7-8 dage til at fuldføre interviewene.
Det kan vi sagtens. Jeg stiller mig til rådighed i det omfang, det overhovedet kan lade sig gøre, men vi er nødt til ligesom at have Jytte, min sekretær, indover, fordi hun har simpelthen det fulde over.
Ja. Undskyld, jeg forstyrrer. Peter, Gider du lige se på den her?
Ja, undskyld mig lige. Jeg tror, vi siger tak for det. Tak.
Der er blevet trykket på alarmknappen på MV Rosen. Vi er bange for, at hun er blevet kapret. De har sænket farten. Og lige nu besvarer de ikke vores opkald.
Okay, så vi har ingen kontakt?
Vi har ingenting.
Vi har slet ingen kontakt
Peter, vi har
overhovedet?
ingenting.
It's me! Leave him alone! I'm the captain! The captain!
I'm the cook! I'm the cook! I'm the cook!
Who's the cook?
I am!
Go استاذي go استاذي صعو ذاكر قل لا تكمل حلوة والله والله بينكم شيء جيبي عن طلعنا كلنا نروح شيء ملانا نص صاحب انا باقي فيرنا يلا فيرنا جيبي عن طلعنا حاجه حري نص لو انا نقول انت ويليسا صور نص فردي صاحب
I speak English, you know?
ور انجليش هذا ما نقانه ور عتده كري انجليش اكو قان انجليش قالوا داي وحاسه انجليش هويدا ما جا كلمات ما انا اكو اي ما غلط لعقت ذلكين ومدح كقراع ما انت مدح
يا فرو قاعد
ما نقبا هاي بيكرا ايوه اي ورا سوق ابو عنتده قبو عنتده سوق ابو وي عصوب احمر بح انت برد ورد سعود هاي ارجع
Are now on board. Confirm. They are now on board. Over.
Så stopper det her. Hvornår kom det første alarmopkald?
Det er 1 time og 35 minutter siden.
Ja. Og hvor var vi præcis? Hvor ligger skibet præcis?
Ja, vi var, hvis du kigger herop. På vej over til Mumbai derfra, så laver den noget, der meget vel kunne være en undvigelsesmanøvre.
Det er meget langt ude, hva'?
Ja, det er jo Indiens kyst helt herovre, ikke?
Ja.
Der har aldrig været kabringer så langt ude før.
Hvem er ombord?
Det finder jeg ud af med sammen.
Vi skal have fat i nogen, der ved noget om det her.
Ja, selvfølgelig.
Og så hurtigt som muligt.
Ja. Gider du hjælpe mig? Ja. Jeg er tilbage om 5 minutter.
Fint. Gider du ringe til min kone og sige, at det nok ikke kommer hjem lige i dag?
Ja, det gør jeg med sammen.
Tak. Må jeg køre det igen?
Ja.
The high-speed boat is approaching us from the stern. The high-speed boat is approaching us. Over. They are coming closer and maneuvering to the starboard side. Over.
waxaan ku weydiinaa odaygii ma ka soo qaada lacagta maxaa la waqti waa ku dhamaaday gudaha geli dhaaf gudaha gal bax gudaha gal
استاق وريا استاق استاق
Agora de canto, Soro, Hakon de canta.
Haji era.
Kalkan. Habitan Harata. Habitan Harawa. Buat korek dah tu je.
Okay, waayahay dhib ma lahan. Haji.
صباح انا هنا
Hej skat, jeg kan se, du har ringet. Ja, vi er på vej ind til det pårørende nu. Ja. Det er jeg glad for. Tak.
Pirater i dag har også internet, og de læser også danske nyheder. Og det er meget vigtigt, at vi husker det. Og hvis de læser, at vi er villige til at gøre hvad som helst for at få vores mænd hjem, så vil det kun forlænge pinen. Jeg håber, jeg har gjort det meget klart.
Mit navn er Kai Sørensen. Det er min kone Lisbeth. Vi er forældre til Jan. Hvorfor betaler I ikke piraterne det, de kræver, og sender vores sønner hjem?
Fordi at vi på nuværende tidspunkt ikke har hørt fra piraterne. Og det vil sige, at vi ved sådan set ikke, hvor meget de kræver. Men når det er sagt, så skal I vide, at vi gør alt, hvad vi kan for at få besætningen hjem så hurtigt som overhovedet muligt. Og derfor har vi også valgt at hente professionel hjælp udefra til at guide os igennem forhandlingerne. Connor, could you please stand up for a second? Det her, det er Mr. Connor Julian. Connor har stor erfaring. Han er specialiseret i netop den her slags situationer. Ja, endelig. I skal bare stille spørgsmål. Ja.
Hej, jeg hedder Maria Hartmann, og det er min datter Camilla. Jeg er gift med Mikkel Hartmann, der er kok på skibet. Du sagde før, at I ikke har haft nogen kontakt overhovedet med de her pirater. Hvor ved I så fra det, at de er okay? Hvor ved I fra, at de ikke er døde endnu?
Ja, tak. Excuse me. Maria? Det ærlige svar, Maria, det er, det ved vi faktisk ikke. Det vil undre os meget, hvis det skulle være tilfældet. Skibet, som der ligger dernede nu, med Rosen, har ikke en værdi for os. Det eneste pirater, der har forhandlet med, det er din mand, Mikkel. Det er jeres sønner, det er jeres brødre. Det er det eneste, de har at forhandle med lige nu. Så helt personligt, Maria, så tror jeg på, at de er i live altså. Selv tak.
Basically, this is just the basic plan of what's going to happen. So I'll just put it up on the board up here.
Yeah. You need some help?
Yeah, always comes in handy. Lovely, thanks. It's not like a normal business. If you want to go and buy a company, you'll make an offer, counter offer, and that's the way it is. The mentality of the Somalis and the pirates is not like that. If we just give them the first demanded figure, they're just going to turn and say, well, thank you very much. This was a deposit. What we actually need is this. So we can't afford to do this. This is why it's protracted negotiations. Unfortunately, I mean, if I could just say, right, you need to pay 10 million now, take it home, poof, go. It doesn't work that way. If it did, yeah, it would be great. We're out of here in a week. It's not going to happen, though. When it comes to communication side of it, we normally bring an outsider in, a trained communicator, yeah, who will work on our behalf and actually negotiate for us. We'll tell them the information that we want to be passed over to the pirates, yeah, which will be agreed in this room. We give it to our communicator, and then he talks to the pirates. If you look at it, it's your vessels, your crew, ship, etc., etc. If you're emotionally involved, you're thinking with your heart and not with your head. And that's where mistakes happen, and we can't afford that to happen.
You're telling me to call in a guy from outside to actually do the negotiation with the pirates?
Correct.
That's what you're telling me?
I'm advising you to, Peter.
As I see it, you're trying to replace me with someone from outside. This is my company. I am the CEO here. This is my responsibility to take care of this situation. It's my ship, it's my crew, it's my job to bring back my men.
Okay. I have to admit, Peter, that you've employed me to guide you through this. And I'd be remiss if I didn't explain and give you my opinion that I think you're wrong in this decision. Once you actually get involved in this, this is going to be an emotional roller coaster. You're going to be in a situation you've never ever found yourself in before. And if you make one mistake on the end of that phone when you're dealing with the pirates or get emotionally involved in this, the situation could change. These people could be hurt or even killed because of you. I just want to make sure that you're aware of this responsibility on your shoulders.
Thank you, Connor. I heard you.
Yeah?
I'm gonna do it.
Sorry, please come in. I'm Omar. Don't be afraid. Please come in. Come in. Have a seat, please. Relax. I'm the negotiator, translator. I'm here to get you home. I'm not a pirate or anything, so please don't be scared of me. Just need you to call home, talk to your boss.
Can I call my wife too?
Not right now. We need to take care of business first. They want $15 million, so as soon as he pays that, sooner we all go home. You could be here for a week, or maybe a year. So you really need to convince him.
Hello?
Hello, this is Omar. Are you the one in charge?
Yes, I am. My name is Peter Ludvigsen. I am the CEO of Orange Seaways.
Okay, listen.
The cook wants to talk to you.
Okay. Hej. Hej Mikkel. Hvordan har I det?
Vi har det fint.
In English, please.
We have to do this in English, okay? We are okay, but the captain is sick.
Okay, okay, it's in English. It's fine. Fine, let's do this in English. And Mikkel, please tell the man that we are taking care of the families in every way we can, okay? Don't worry about that, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm calling to tell you that they want $15 million for the ship and for the crew. Will you pay that?
Mikkel, please listen to me. I will not talk about this with you, okay?
Yeah, but you...
I will not talk about it with you. Please tell them that.
Sir, you need to understand.
Mikkel,
please.
Please.
Please, will you pay the money?
This is not fair to me and not fair to you. I'm not going to talk about the money with you, and I'm going to hang up, okay?
No, don't hang up, sir.
I'm going to hang up. Goodbye.
Hello?
Done a good job.
What about the captain? I mean, he was ill.
I mean, this is a known piracy tactic. We need to check this out. If we can get hold of the medical records for the whole crew, we'll go through them to see if they have any previous medical conditions.
Yeah, I'll be back in 5.
Yeah.
He sounded very desperate.
But he is. He's an alien world, and he was only a lifeline.
Mændene er raske, men kaptajnen har haft mavesår. Det er godt nok 5 år siden, han er blevet opereret imod det, og så har været på medicin i et par år, og så er erklæret rask.
Han kunne faktisk godt være syg.
Det kunne jeg sagt.
Pisse over det her lortehjørne her, mand. Det gør helvede til. Kaptajnen har overskidt det hele, mand. Kraftedeme klamt. For helvede. Helt ærligt, mand. Kraftedeme kunne bruge det lokummer der. Jeg kan ikke passe til den stank her, den der hele tiden. Spurg om I kommer på toiletterne. Ja. Du bliver syg af det her. Sig det til dem.
Jeg skal nok sige det til dem.
Vi er ikke noget værd, hvis vi...
Kan du ikke for helvede holde din kæft?
Vi skal ud herfra.
Hello, is it Omar?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, who's this?
This is Peter calling from Denmark.
Yes, hi Peter.
Hi, Omar. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Listen, Omar, I talked to the board, and I have a number for you.
Yes, give it to me, please.
$250,000.
Did I hear you right? Did you say $250,000?
Yes, you heard me.
You know it's not high enough. You know it's not even close to what we talked about.
Maybe you're right, but please, Uma, take the offer. Think about it, and please call me back.
I will talk to them. And I will call you back as soon as possible.
Thank you very much, Uma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Well done, Peter.
That was it.
We knew we were never going to accept it. But the main thing, on the positive side, we've started the negotiation progress. We're on our way. Good.
Thank you. Okay, lad os holde en pause. 10 minutter, så er vi tilbage igen.
Ja. Problemet med at flyve ud af Tanzania, det er afstanden til MV Rosen, som bliver for stor, så vi kan risikere, at piloten vender om, før han har foretaget droppet.
Det forstår jeg simpelthen ikke. Altså, han må vide på forhånd, hvor...
Nej, det er jo den små maskiner, ikke? Og det er simpelthen brændstoffet, vi snakker om.
Det er det, vi snakker om.
Teoretisk set kan det godt lade sig gøre, men hvis der er ATC-ændringer eller vejret...
Ja, forholdene. Ja,
så
okay.
det er simpelthen for tight.
Men hvorfor så ikke Mombasa?
Præcis, det er så det næste. Teoretisk set er det jo det bedste sted, men det er bare ulovligt at indføre den slags penge ind.
Nej, bestyrer.
Hej.
Annette?
Hvad søren? Har vi en aftale?
Skal man have det?
Overhovedet ikke. Det var mere, sgu mere min egen dårlig samvittighed, hvis jeg havde glemt, at jeg havde en aftale.
Det har vi ikke.
Hej. Dejligt at se jer. Hej. Se dig bare sådan.
Ja, det løber ikke. Man skal ikke komme tilbage.
Jo, vi kan bare tage den senere. Men prøv lige, vi skal lige... Ja.
Chefen har talt.
Chefen har talt, ja. Det sagde du, ikke jeg. Men snak lige med Connor om eventuelle alternativer, ikke?
Ja,
og så få fat i Søren Lundtoft fra den Danske Bank, fordi de skal have cash liggende. Det må vi simpelthen ikke undgå.
Jeg ringer til Søren.
Det er godt. Tak.
Godt at se dig, Net.
Ja.
Hej, lige måde.
Du har skjorter med det. Det er skønt. Tak. Tak skal du have.
Jeg tænkte, du trængte til noget.
Det var da sødt af dig.
Mm-hmm.
Hvad laver du?
Det pisser. Hold da kæft, Mikkel. It's very good.
Super.
Thank you. It was better than pussy. It was better than
pussy معاوي.
That was very good.
pussy معاوي.
Yes, I will empty now.
For sex, man, stinker man.
Yes, for helvede.
Du banana. Det er klamt.
Så vi kan blive gode venner med ham.
Marta.
Mikkel.
Hej.
Jan.
Jan maxaa waay?
Jan, my name is Jan.
Magacaaga?
Who are you?
Aniga?
Aliga.
Rashid Dalida. Rashid.
Rashid.
Maalim Rashid.
Yes, I know Rashid.
Hagstak.
This is not good.
Who? Magkubak lang.
Hvor er det klamt.
Ja, easy with that gun.
What up?
Fingeren aftrækker nogle gange.
Hvad er det?
Kæft, han er jo mørsvingende. Sige party.
Kafir.
What's from a party?
Kafir.
Beer. Party. We have fun.
Zuk.
We have fun. We go out, we make fun. Oh, you're a good guy.
Kalle.
Hold nu kæft, mand. Nu skal jeg...
Han laver billedet.
Det er ikke sjovt, Mikkel. What are you doing?
Kala wag tayo, Biri. Kala wag tayo, Jif. Jifo.
Det er sjovt, Mikkel.
skal lægge dig ned.
Ja?
Jeg skal lægge dig ned.
Jifo.
Det var party! Funny guy. Jeg vil opvide ham mere nu. Okay.
Jeg kan så kæve. Så بعمرك. انت كوشوا.
Why you do that?
هذا بقى وش يجيسا. هذا وش.
No. Please watch this, please.
مقلسة كان أكو قوانا.
No, it's okay.
كان عاموس مركا. عاموس. أفكار قبسو.
Right, gentlemen, we're on to week 4 now. We're going to be expecting a phone call from the pirates at any moment. Before that happens, I just want to have a quick sit rep, just so we know where we are. We know that the captain wasn't very well. We have to try and find out his condition. Also, one of the other things as well is to find out where the crew are situated on board the vessel. If we know where we are, then we know what sort of condition they're going to be in. Yeah, are they getting food? Are they getting water? Are they getting shelter? Don't forget, it's going to be very, very hot in these conditions. Okay? Another thing is food. Not too worried about the food side of it. If they run out, what they're going to do is bring goats on board and slaughter them there. Here we go. All right. Good luck.
Okay,
quiet, please, gentlemen.
Hello? Is it Omar?
Hi, Peter.
Hello, Omar. How are you?
I'm good. I have very good news for you.
Fine.
I have talked to them and they have agreed to come down to $12 million. And that is $3 million down. They just hope that this moves a lot faster.
Thank you, Omar. I'll talk to my board about that. But listen, Omar, I want to talk to you about the crew, because we heard the captain was ill.
Peter, let me stop you right there. I don't want to talk about the captain or the crew. Maybe if you make me a better offer, then I could talk to you about it. But right now, I want to talk about the money.
Omar, can I be honest with you? I think that $12 million is way off the market price for a vessel like Rosen. I think that we need to go under $5 million. I repeat, we need to go under $5 million before we can talk serious.
Okay, listen, Peter. I will talk to them, but you need to take this guy seriously.
I do. No, Omar, of course not. I take this very serious, and I think you are very professional, all of you.
You know what, Peter? Don't fucking say that to me again. You know, I'm not a pirate. I'm not one of them. Don't talk to me like I'm one of them. I'm not a pirate. I'm just a translator. Do you understand this or not?
Okay, I'm so sorry, Omar. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to accuse you for anything like that. I know that you are not one of the pirates. I'm so sorry.
Very. أنت قاعد قاعد
You want food?
أنت ربع.
You want food?
أنت ما نقنع أنت لو كذا.
Look here, there's no food. Look. Only. This is what is left of the rice.
Curry, حقك.
No, this is what is left of the rice.
ليش حق كان ربع curry.
We have.
كل محلو عنا. كان محاوى صوبي.
Pig.
Pig محاوى.
Pig. You want pig?
حقه عن. مركب محل صوبينا عنتا رباني قاعد يا ساي.
I need to talk to Omar.
Omar كان أشيكي سواما.
Omar, I need to talk to Omar.
عندك يا كاجرو أنا Omar كان عنتا ربا قداك المر.
Rashid, if I talk to Omar, I get food. If I get food, I prepare.
I'm so خبر مرة. Omar ما محل.
Omar.
ما كان أنا مرق قدا.
Omar?
So.
Okay.
Omar ما كان.
We need some air. You know? You need to let us outside. of the mess. We need some food. There's no more food on the ship. We need some real food. Meat, rice, vegetables. We need to have the captain into the shower, you know? No, we need to know. We need to know what's going on.
Listen to me. I don't know what's going on either. I don't know what's going on. I need some stuff too. Can you help me with what I need? I need money. I need to go home. I need my wife and kids. I need some stuff.
What do you think I need? Don't you think I want to go home?
I don't know.
Don't you think I want to go home, huh?
I cannot help you with these things. Can you help me
No,
with
you
my
can.
things?
You can help me.
No, I
You
cannot.
can talk to them.
No, I cannot.
Yes, you can.
No, how could I talk to them? I'm just like
Because you're keeping me here.
I'm not keeping you here. What are you talking about? I'm not one of them. You know who's keeping you here? Your fucking boss is keeping you here. I'm not keeping you here. If you would have paid the money, we would have went home a long time ago. You understand? So give this list to your boss. Don't give it to me. Don't come crying to me. Don't come in here making demands. Call him right now. Right now. Call him right now and tell me what you told me. And tell him to pay the fucking money so we could go.
Hello, Omar.
Det er ikke Omar, det er Mikkel.
Hi, Mikkel.
Hi, Peter.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
No, we're not okay, sir. We would really like to know what is going on.
Yes. I'm gonna do everything I can. Okay, but please let me talk to Omar.
You need to pay. We need to get home, you understand?
I do understand, but and I know it must be very hard for you, but I will not have this conversation. If Omar wants to talk to me, he can call himself. Okay?
Why don't you want to talk to me? Why don't you want to help us?
You listen to me now, Mikkel. They are using psychological pressure, and I won't allow that. I'm gonna hang up. Bye.
No, don't hang up, please, sir.
What the fuck did I tell you? He doesn't care about you. Now get the fuck out of here. Get out!
Hej Peter.
Hej Niels.
Jeg skal lige høre, hvordan går det egentlig med forhandlingerne?
Jamen, hvis det går godt, altså det går fremad, altså måske lidt langsomt, men vi skal nok nå i mål.
Jeg spørger, fordi jeg har sludret lidt med de øvrige partnere. Du har siddet med det her i over 2 måneder nu, og de vil ikke have, at det begynder at trække i langdrag.
Nej, men det kommer det heller ikke til.
Okay. Hils derhjemme.
Hello, Omar. This is Peter calling from Denmark. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
I'm fine. Listen, I talked to my board and I have a new offer for you.
That's nice. Let me hear it.
$900,000.
I repeat, $900,000.
Are you fucking crazy? You're gonna, don't you understand you're gonna kill everybody? The crew, me, everybody. With that fucking kind of number, you're gonna kill everybody. Don't you understand this?
Please listen, Omar, this is my offer, $900,000.
Are you must be nuts, man.
Hello? Omar? Omar? Hello?
He hung up, yeah.
Guys. Guys. You been asking for fresh air? Come on, you got fresh air. Let's go. Come on, guys.
Alright, go on, get some fresh air. Easy now. That's enough. Hold on. Thank you, Omar. No problem.
Let me blow a fish. Let me fish. You know how to fish? Baravena.
I'm going lille.
Værså. Værså.
Jan!
Ja.
Jan, for helvede!
Ja! Pull it up!
Tag den her! Kom her, tag den her!
Der er kraftedeme. For satan, hvad? Gamle dreng. Kunne du bare lige med?
Kom nu, mand.
Halul! Gå, Rabo! For satan, Mikkel! Kom her! Hej! Gå, Rabo! Hold nu jeres fucking kæft, mand. I ved ikke, hvad I fucking snakker om. Jeg vil kræfte, hvor står. DJ! Kom on, DJ! Olex! Kom on! Godt! Så, hey! Godt nok! What do you say? Look! Look, kiss fish! Yeah! Kiss fish! Kiss the fish! Woo! Galon! Fisk! Det er en rødspætte! What should we do with a drunken sailor? What should we do with a drunken sailor? What should we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning, race his ball with a rascal, race a shave his ball with a rascal, race a shave his ball with a
Come down. Come down, like. The cook knows a good one. Come down, like. Hey, Sora!
Er det Camillas fødselsdag? Hurra, hurra, hurra. Hun sikrer sig en gave for som hun ønsker sig jo.
What?
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
For his daughter.
Happy birthday to you, Camilla. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Camilla. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Hussein, when we came on the ship, we were 7 people. 7 people. Now only 3. Where's the rest? The crew. Where's the rest of the crew? 7, 3. Mikkel, Jan, the captain. Where's the rest of the crew? The 4 people, the rest of the crew, where are they? They're good. They're good. On the ship.
Don't kill. Everyone's here. Okay.
Listen, man, I have some super news for you, man. I promised you're gonna call your family. This is the right time, man. Yeah, right now. Come on. Call your wife.
Thank you, Omar. Thank you.
Stop wasting time. Come on.
Hallo?
Maria, skat, det er mig. Kan du høre mig? Hej. Hej.
Hej, skat. Hej, skat. Er du okay? Er der sket noget med jer?
Nej, vi har det så fint.
Kom her.
Nej, vi har det godt. Vi har det så godt.
Okay.
Hej.
Okay. Hvor er det dejligt at høre din stemme, skat.
Det var også dejligt at høre din stemme.
Jeg elsker dig.
Jeg elsker også dig.
Ja. Ja.
Hvordan har Camilla det?
Men hun har det godt, skat. Hun blev så glad for cyklen. Og Lasse, han løb efter hende og holdt hende under armene. Og skat, nu cykler hun simpelthen uden støttehjul.
Gør hun det? Du fortæller, at jeg elsker hende og alt på jorden, ikke?
Det fortæller jeg hende hver aften.
Listen. Look at
Du er sådan en god far,
Focus.
skat.
You need to tell her that she needs to call your boss. She needs to talk to your boss right now, otherwise I can't stop these guys from killing you.
Hvad siger du?
Tell her to talk to your boss. And pay the fucking right now. Understand?
Jeg er lige her, skat.
If you're not gonna fucking do it, then
Jeg er lige her.
I'm gonna do it.
Hello, my name is Omar. No, please. Baby, listen to me. Baby, der sker ikke noget, skat. Der sker ikke noget, bare lyst.
Okay.
Lyt til mig, okay? Vi bliver nødt til at tale engelsk nu. We're gonna speak English.
Make her understand.
It's very, very simple, okay? Baby, listen. You call the company. You call Peter Ludvigsen and tell them to pay, or they're gonna kill us. All right? No! 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 Fuck it!
Easy. Listen. Easy. Easy.
can't have you showing emotions. If you do, they've got you. If they make threats, please just ignore them. Let them go over your head.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Fine.
And remember, we don't offer them more money. It's their turn to come down.
Hello, Omar. This is Peter calling from Denmark.
Yes, hi, Peter.
How are you?
I'm good.
Fine. Listen, Omar. Just to make it clear between you and me. I don't react on threats. Okay?
Okay, but do you have any offer for me?
Omar, I will not talk about the money until I have talked to the cook. Okay? So please, can you get him for me?
Yes, he's right here. Hello?
Mikkel, er det dig?
Yeah.
Hvordan har du det?
You have to do something, they're gonna kill me. So please get me home now. Please pay, or else they're gonna kill me.
Mikkel?
Yes, this is Omar.
Okay, Omar. Listen up now. Don't pull this kind of crap on me, okay? I know that you're not gonna shoot anybody, so please stop all that nonsense and let's do some serious business here, okay? And if we do that, Omar, I have a new offer for you. And if you do it right now, I can offer you $1.5 million US.
Are you crazy? They will start killing soon. Please, Peter, listen. Vil du godt betale det? De vil skyde mig. Jeg ved, du skal godt betale det.
I cannot accept this, okay? No one is gonna kill you.
You bastard! They will kill you now.
Omar,
There's nothing I can do about it.
don't you fuck with me, okay? No, please, don't you fuck with me, okay? Don't you threaten my man, okay? I will hang up. Stop. I can deal with this. Don't you dare threaten my man! Don't fuck with me! Omar! Omar! Hej.
Hej.
Jeg har lige talt med Mikkel. Og han har det godt.
Okay.
Godmorgen. Har du sovet her? Jeg vil have lidt lys herind. Du se det i går? Jeg skulle alligevel ud og køre. Så tænkte jeg alligevel kigge op. Er du okay? Hvordan går det med forhandlingerne?
Det går godt.
Niels Giversen ringede i går. Han er bekymret for dig. Det er jeg faktisk også. Der er jo ingen, der kan holde til det her, du har gang i, vel? Hvorfor er det dig, der sidder op med den telefon hver nat? Der må der være nogle andre, der kan hjælpe dig med det. Jeg elsker dig.
Jeg vil gerne have, at du går nu. Jeg vil gerne have, at du går nu! Ud!
Peter, det er ikke nogen god situation, det her. Du er ansat til at have overblikket over samtlige af husets aktiviteter, og det kræver fokus.
Ja, det har jeg også.
Peter, hvor lang tid er det, du har siddet med det her nu?
Knap 4 måneder.
Og det er for lang tid.
Hvor længe synes du så, det vil være rimeligt, at jeg sad med det?
Ja, vi har besluttet at give dig måneden ud. Derefter er der en anden, der tager over.
Det kan I simpelthen ikke.
Jo, det kan vi. Og det gør vi.
Godmorgen. Velkommen til. Det er nu præcis 18 uger siden, at M.B. Rosen blev kapret i det indiske ocean. Og vi har valgt indtil videre ikke at fortælle om det her. Men pressen er begyndt at skrive om det. De er begyndt at gætte. Og der bliver sågar citeret unavngivne kilder herfra. Det håber jeg virkelig ikke har noget på sig. Det er en meget alvorlig situation, vi står i. Og der er ingen tvivl om, at besætningen og deres familier lever under et kolossalt stort pres. Men jeg vil også gerne slå helt fast, at vi gør alt, hvad vi overhovedet kan, for at afhjælpe det.
Hvad så? Vi har lige fået den her.
Lige nu?
Ja, lige nu. 2 minutter.
Har de ringet?
Ikke en skid, kun faxen.
Okay.
Ja, kom.
Hello, gentlemen. Sorry about the attire.
Don't worry, Connor. Thanks for coming so fast.
Oh, Peter.
Hey, Connor.
We just arrived. We got this about 20 minutes ago.
Okay. Did we receive any more faxes or any more phone calls?
No, that's it. That's it.
Is that all there is?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's positive. They've come down from 12 million down to 8.5. That's a substantial drop.
The mobile subscriber cannot be reached. Please try again later.
Can I send them a fax or what? Yeah. Okay. Right?
No one said it's going to be easy.
There you go.
Right, see what they come back with now.
Now, what is this? Come on. Wait. Omar. Come on. For fuck's sake. Give me a break.
They are playing games.
What does that mean? Wait.
Well,
huh?
We're looking at 2 different ways. Could be wait, he's having dinner, he's messing it around, or wait, they're going to get hold of the cook for us so we can talk to him. We just don't know. We just have to take it from our side of it and just deal with it. We can't rush these people. Time is a Western thing. It means nothing to them.
فلي حرب أنا وحبد بنت إنسان أو طفل إنسان شو اسمك؟ فردي Absente. ها؟ absente. بالفعل. بالفعل. يا فاكر. عاكو يلا. shaqaysta Ari
هاي ما حيوريا
وحبو
هاي
ما بحنا
هاي
أنا كن
هاي أرد صور
نبح
هاي نمري
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر
Peter.
Ja?
Fax mig.
Okay. Proof of life. Right?
Nope.
This could be very positive. No?
This is proof that the fax machine works better. That's it. It means their fax machine is working, and on the positive side, they're still communicating with us. I suggest you just send them a fax through, call me.
Okay. Please help me here. How much can we offer?
Well, going on where we are at the moment, Peter, I suggest 2.8 million.
2.8?
Yeah, it's going up, but not too much. Just a good raise. Okay?
What if they turn down the 2.8 million? Then what?
And we just have to carry on negotiating until we come to an agreement.
No. Why don't we just come up with some more money, okay?
Yeah, but if you give them more money, Peter, they're going to think they've just struck oil here. They've got the golden egg, and they're just going to push and push.
I just want my men back home right now, okay?
Yeah.
That's it. I want to finish this.
Okay. What if... Just an idea. I mean, we go with what you say. We say this is it. 2.8 is the company maximum. The board is ready to throw in the towel. But Peter's willing to put his own money on top of that. His personal savings. This guy has to think, if this man is so desperate that he's putting his own money in, maybe this is it. Maybe this is all they can get. You know, make it personal between you and him. Shh, risky. Yeah.
Hi, Omar.
No, this is Jan Sørensen, Chief Engineer on the Rosen. Who are you?
Hej Jan, det er Peter fra Danmark.
Hej Peter.
Hej med dig. Hvordan går det?
Ikke særlig godt.
Jan, hvad med kokken? Mikkel, er han i live?
Han har det af helvede til, men han trækker vejret. Hvorfor? Vi har det alle sammen af helvede til. Det er ved at være ret kritisk hernede. Jeg håber, I forstår.
Det kan du tro, vi forstår, og vi gør alt for, at I kommer hjem. Jeg har brug for at tale med Omar nu.
Er vi på vej hjem, eller hvad?
Det kan du tro, ja. Det lover jeg dig. Jeg skal snakke med Omar.
Omar, he wants to talk to you. Yes, this is Omar.
Hi Omar, this is Peter.
Hi, Peter.
Hi. Listen, I think we can close this deal now. We have a new offer for you. Are you ready?
Yes, give it to me, please.
We can offer you 2.8 million US dollars. That's all we have.
No. Listen, this is a waste of time, Peter.
Why?
I have told them that it will be a little bit less than $5 million. But this is too low. 2.8 is just too low.
What? Okay, listen. There's a bad weather coming up in the area. So we have to close this deal now, in the next 2 or 3 days, okay? Otherwise the window will close. You understand?
Yes, I do understand, but 2.8 is not enough. I want to go home too. But I cannot tell these guys, 2.8. Do you understand?
Yes, I do understand. Okay, listen, Omar. I have 500,000 US dollars of my own, private saving. I can put them on top of 2.8. That makes it 3.3 million. That's all we have. So please take it.
Did I hear you right? Did you say $3.3 million?
That's right. $3.3 million. Hello? Omar? Omar?
Yes, I hear you, Peter. You know what? That's a deal.
Sorry, we have a deal? Please confirm. Omar? Did you tell me that?
Let's try it again, Peter. Try it again. Let's find out what's wrong here.
What? Yes. Confirmed. Wow, fantastic. Her er det. 3.3. Hvad fanden er det for en smiley? Helt ærligt. Wow.
Listen up. I need all of you to please come with me up to the deck.
Everybody?
Every single body.
أرد. نمر. أرد. Yeah, نمر.
Yeah, I got him. I got him.
Kalla.
Mindy, come. Vi skal ud.
Come on, snap out of it. Let's go.
The money is now on the Rosen and secure. I repeat, the money is on the Rosen and secure. We will do one final pass and then go home. One final pass and then home. Over and out.
Thank you very much for a fine job. Catch you later. Peter. There we are, sir. Hopefully they'll be on their way back within 24 hours. Yeah? Good. Well done. Well done.
Vi skal hjem, gamle dreng. Jeg sagde det til dig. Jeg sagde, vi skulle klare det. Jeg sagde, vi skulle hjem. Who that?
Yeah, the pirates are just getting ready to leave, sir. I can make them out on the front deck now.
That's good. I'm so glad to hear that you're feeling better, Captain. Please give my regards to the men.
Okay, sir.
And call your wife and tell her that you'll be coming home soon.
Will do.
Well done, Captain.
Thank you.
Looking forward to seeing you.
See you soon. Bye.
Wait, kaas maarag kaas qaad xagga saar dhinaca kale gee kuna dhaqsada wax kale ma dhilna alaabta waa la hayaa dinka haya waaya ma tahaynina sugo waxya xadhig kafur xadhig soo dur xadhig dhaqsada xadhig kafur soo qaadada xadhig soo qaadada xadhig
I don't know.
صبعي
No. No.
صبعي هذه قاعد صبعي
Please. Come on. That's enough already. Give it back to him, huh?
Marta.
Come on. Please. Just give it to him. Here. Leave. Come on. Now you can leave the ship. You've got everything you need. It's fine. Just leave. Just leave. No. Everything's okay. You can just go now. You can just go. All right. Everything's
Yes, hello, this is Peter calling from Orient Seaways. Yes, hello, I'm afraid I have some very bad news regarding your husband.